This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to update the software on your Mac. Now, I'm just on one of my sites here. I'm just going to back out of there. So on my Mac, I just had Chrome open. In order to actually update your software, I'll show you two different versions to cover all bases. So first of all, the main system settings. So you'll find this in the dock, the gear cog icon right here. If you don't have that in your dock for whatever reason, you can find that in applications. System settings will be there, or you can just click on apps or on your Mac, whatever the version of this one is right here. You're just going to click there and type in something like sys or system, and you'll find system settings there. But on most Macs, it will be there on the dock. So you have this open. We have the general settings by default on right here. And then from here, we're just going to click on software update. So this little section here will show you all of the software on your Mac that needs updating. So you can see that this command line tools that I have right here needs an update, but more importantly, right at the very top, macOS Tahoe 26.2 is an update. So when you click on software update, this will run a quick scan and we'll find if you do in fact have a software update for your OS, and it will be up here. So the two options we have are update tonight. That will just set it to install at a designated time at night, so i.e. when we're not using it in general, or we can just click here for update now, and that would take you through the install process. So for most people, you're watching this video to actually find out how to update your OS, your operating system on your Mac. That is how you will do it. You will click on software update in general on the system settings, and you'll find it there, and you'll click update now or update tonight. Like I say, you have these extra options here if you do have anything that has an update. But another way to find updates that won't show here, you need to click on the App Store at the bottom. So the blue icon here, App Store, click on that. And then right at the bottom, we have this update section. So in general, you'll be on Discovery. When you first click it, come down to Updates, and you'll see any of the software on your Mac from the App Store that has an update. And you can see right here I have like GarageBand update, iMovie, Command 1, and some poker app right here. So you can click update all, and that will update all of them, or you could click them individually. So if I click on update all, those will do their thing. They'll go one by one and update. Actually, they're updating all together. You can see the rings are going all at the same time. And so those will just take a little bit of time. We'll see updated recently. We can open the app if we want to, but the point is all of those will be updated in the background. And you see down here, there's a little sort of ticking timer, and you can see the gigabytes of update going on in the background. So all those are pretty much done. Like I say, that is the main software update for the whole system, is in system settings and software update. I've also shown you the App Store updates. So if you have any software there that needs updating, you can do that all in one go just by pressing update all. And hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.